What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vienna's Beauty. If you are new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related, okay? Everything concerning beauty, from fitness, makeup, lifestyle, hairstyle, and of course fashion. So in the edition of beauty today, we're gonna be doing a tutorial of this look. Are you seeing my eyes? If this sounds like something you're interested in, before we move into the tutorial, I want you to hit on that subscription button and do well to click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post such looks, such slim cutting things. And now let's just move into the tutorial. So, my beautiful people, in Enhanced by Bev's voice, she says, I did my brows backstage, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be saying today. Yay! I did my brows backstage. If you want to see a tutorial of how I do my brows, I'm gonna leave a link above so you can pause this video, watch that one, and come back. Let's continue. Here I'm using the NYX primer. And my beauties, always make sure that you blend enough. You have to blend this primer, if not you have a lot of creases. So just make sure you blend and blend before you go in and start applying your eyeshadow. I'm starting up with that light blue. Today we are going blue, girl. All shades of blue in this eye look today. I don't think I've done blue on this channel before, and I'll be trying in lots of colors I haven't done before. I want to get out of my comfort zone in Miss Larry's voice. Please go subscribe to her. I'll leave her link in the description box. A big shout out to you, my girl. I'm learning a lot from you as well. So now I'm applying that light color as my transition color, and I just want this to be, the transition color is a color that will easily blend in with the darker colors you're gonna be using. So that's what I'm doing now. Now after this, I'm going in with a little bit darker blue. That one right there is, I think it's 2 shades darker than the first blue I used. Yeah, now I'm going in with an even darker blue, same from the Zodiac palette. Guys, if you haven't ordered this palette, what are you waiting for now? Don't you want your girl to eat small money? I have an affiliate link with this, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the comment in the description, and as well as the comments. You can order this palette at a discounted price provided you use my code. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to cut the crease, and I'm starting up, yeah, where you see me starting. I'm doing a full cut crease, you all. I'm doing a full cut crease for the first time. Can someone help me? Since I'm doing a full cut crease, I like starting towards the end and I work my way to the front. So you just have to take your time for this. You have to make that cut crease sharp and crispy. And going back into the Zodiac palette, I'm starting up with the lightest blue. Today is all about the blue, the blue, the blue. So I'm going in with that lightest blue to put in my inner corner. I think it was the same blue I used on my brow bone, I think. and then I'm going in with that gold color to just place it out after the blue on my crease area, and I'm just tapping that in for maximum pigmentation. So guys, you can use this method for any color combination of your choice. Just do your thing, girl. Do your thing. So using that same glue I used to cut the crease, I'm gonna place that at my outer V, and I'm just making sure that the color has enough pigmentation. Now I'm going in with the glitter. Oh my god, if you've been following my makeup tutorials, you know I've been obsessed with glitter these days. The glitter eyeliner is just a game changer. I didn't plan on applying the glitter on this cut crease, but I wanted it to look sharper than it was, so at the timing I just decided to go in with a glitter. But let me know what you think on the comment section. Was it a good decision to put this glitter or what? Guys, I don't know what happened here, but the lighting, I always complain about my lighting in Ireland. So the sun just went dim. I was trying to use natural light, even though I still had the ring light on, but it was all dimmed. By the point, the sun just went completely down. I mean, like, so I'm applying the dark liner now and prepping my eyes for my falsies, even though I'll not be applying it on the camera. So take your time for this. I didn't want to make it very dramatic. Now just watch further. So guys, I did the rest of my face off camera. I know we've done this a number of times. I didn't want to make this video any longer than it is. So I did my powder, I did my foundation, my concealer, the prepping of my face, everything off camera, and now I'm getting into the lips. I wasn't too sure of what I wanted for the lips, so I started with this Burgundy eyeliner, lip liner to line my lips, and I'll further go in with a brown pencil. I just always like to get very creative, like I don't want to be static, so I'm going in with that brown pencil to diffuse the burgundy color I use, because I kind of wanted the lips to go nude, not too nude because my eyes are heavy, but I didn't want the very silent lips. So now I'm going to be going in with this nude color. It's a complete matte, like very matte, and because of the mattified nature of the lips were rather looking too dramatic for me. So now I'll go in with the transparent lip gloss. This is colorless lip gloss. You see how it just dims down the intensity of that nude color. That's just how you have to play around with your products, play around with your colors. I'm always very scared of this glow highlighter. It's so pigmented, so I tend to take just a bit. Should I say tiny little, tiny little bit English. So I tend to take a tiny quantity to apply on the areas you see me applying. Yeah. Now I'm applying my highlighter. I know, I'm not really a big fan of highlighter, but girl, we got to have this look popping. Going in with the color Fix Blush, I'm using the color Nude to place it on top of the highlighter. I like this step because it reduces the shine of the highlighter, it reduces the intensity of the highlighter. If you don't want your highlighter looking very shouty, looking all glittery as if you own the room, as if you own the party, you want to go ahead to apply your blush on top of the highlighter, slightly do. And I'm going back with what is this I'm using? I don't remember, but I just know that I'm placing it where I applied the contour. Yeah, guys, so I don't know why my camera, I don't know if it's the camera that was slanted or I was the one seated slanted, but I hope you are enjoying this tutorial, and if you do, please just give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe, like and share this video to everyone who is a slayer. Now I'm going back in with the highlighter below my brow bone to just make those eyes pop some more. Let me know your views about this eye look on the comment section below. I know I am always a very calm makeup person, but girl, guess what? My subscribers told me you aren't doing makeup for yourself, you're doing makeup for us. So you have to brighten up. And I especially want to thank my girl Enhanced by Beth. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, I'm gonna leave her channel link on the description box. Go check on her and subscribe to her because she is the bomb. I'm learning a lot from her. So my subscribers told me you're not doing makeup for yourself, you are not trying to please yourself but trying to please us. So from now on, the subscriber is always right, so I'm all about pleasing my subscribers. So guys, this is it about this look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's something you will wear for an evening party or whatsoever. So just enjoy me for a while. I'm trying to adjust my latch right here. Thank you so much. So this is the final look, and if you watched till the end, leave a comment below and say I watched till the end. Remember to subscribe, and I'm definitely gonna see you in my next. So much love, guys.